Okay, doing a water heater installation. I got no shut off for the gas, so I gotta find that. And it's hard piped, which is a bummer. I think I did this one originally, but it doesn't seem like I would have done any hard piping. We're gonna get that gas shut off and get this thing cut free. Right now it's just draining. Alright, so I'm gonna sweat a MIP on here and sweat another one on here. Just trying to get some of that copper to come down. And go a flex line to the water heater and see how that goes. Okay, so I've got this one soldered. I can't really see the back, so you're getting a good look at it. I'm gonna connect a supply line between these and make sure there's no leaks. I had to shut the water off to the house. I think the hot here looks pretty good. Sorry about the fast motion. But I'm not sure about the cold. If this all turns out to be a failure, I'm just going to take it back to like right here and abandon the shut-off valve because it's not really working anyway. Okay, moment of truth here. Seems to be good. The water pressure's super high. Just like last night's. Just crazy, just flying out of there. Who knows what it is? But yeah, I think this looks good to me. No leaks. We like no leaks. Okay, so we got the supply lines on. We're gonna prep the water heater and install it. Oh man, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough right here. It's a big water heater. I don't think there's enough strap there. Okay, it's in, it's strapped. Ducting is connected, supply line's connected, it's filling up. It's got to fire it up, gas is turned back on, water's obviously back on. So I gotta knock on their door and have them open up the hot side so we can release some pressure from the line. Okay, she's in, she's on. I thought I felt a little backdrafting, so I was trying to check that cap up there. Oh, the ladder one. There we go. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. And have a great day.